Good afternoon to one and all present over here. I, Dr. R.H. Gajghat, coordinator of this FDP, welcome you all in the oral feedback and assessment session of 1 week faculty development program on 3D printing and design, organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering, Christian College of Engineering and Technology, Bhilai, sponsored and funded by AICT under AICT Training and Learning Atal scheme. Today is the last day of our Atal FDP. During the last 5 days, total 14 sessions have been conducted, out of which 13 sessions were technical and 1 session was on stress management. All the sessions were taken by the renowned persons from IITs, NITs, ACRI, and other reputed organizations of India and abroad. These sessions were excellent and very useful to our participants in their professional career growth. These sessions have been covered the topics of latest advancement in 3D printing technologies and their applications in aerospace, automobile, healthcare, and other sectors. 3D printing techniques are gradually becoming popular in various areas of applications due to its ability to manufacture complex parts economically. Initially, these techniques were used only for limited applications such as pattern making due to raw material constraints. But nowadays, due to the use of metal as raw material, their applications are increasing tremendously in different sectors. Also, it opens the door for new entrepreneurs to open their startups. I hope all the participants would have been benefited from these sessions. Now, I would request all to give your oral feedback and suggestions so that we can make the necessary changes in our future FDPs and other programs. So please come forward to give your feedback, what you have learned and experienced in last 5 days. So please, all are requested to switch on your camera and please give your feedback. Yeah, please sir, unmute yourself.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Gajghat sir, the coordinator of the faculty development program. It was nicely organized and all the speakers were very good. And some of the speakers like Dr. Abhay Kumar Kuthe and Dr. Mukul Shukla, these people have covered the biomedical applications of 3D printing, which was very much useful for the future researchers. Anyway, my research is related to nanomaterials, but we can use the nanomaterial also for these biomedical applications. Maybe I'll think about it in the coming future research. In overall, the FDP was organized nicely and it went very smoothly without any hiccups in between. And I thank the coordinator and who has personally invited me also to join the FDP. I'm thankful to him. In spite of, as I am being principal of GH Raisoni College of Engineering and Management, Ahmednagar, it is very difficult to spare time to attend such kind of FDPs continuously for the 5 days. But still, I try to manage somehow, and I attended it also. And thank to the management as well as for the principal and the head of the department, those who have put efforts to organize such a long event. It is 5 days coordinating with each speakers. It's really a difficult task. The task has been smoothly done by the coordinators. I should appreciate all their efforts. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you, sir, for your positive feedback. And in spite of your busy schedule, you have attended the session. Thank you very much, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Hi.
Yes, sir. I am Namji Kanu, and I would like to put my views on the session which have been conducted in this Atal FD so far. I mean, so far the session is conducted nicely, and all speakers are fabulous. I mean, the informations which they have shared. I mean, those are really, would help us in terms of doing our research, and hopefully, if we will go through those equations which they have briefed us, say for FEM, say for stress analysis, those could be beneficial for us. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Satish.
Yeah, please, sir. Satish, sir. Yeah.
Good evening to all. And I'm Satish Kumar, Coimbatore from Tamil Nadu, and I would like to thank the organizer, especially Dr. R.H. Gajkat sir, for accepting me for my participation. And for me, this 3D printing and design is totally a new one, because I want to know what is 3D printing and all. I am from electronics background. So, and first 2 days it really totally different for me. So so many topics are very new to me. But the third and fourth day really it's get my attention, and really the speakers are done very well. So they didn't take on any session just like that. They show their full involvement, and they gave so many informations, and really I learned a lot. And especially yesterday, the model creating based on human anatomy, based on thigh bone, and they created so many models, and they shown a live demo how to create a model and all, and they're really useful for me. Yes, of course, the sessions, the topics which are covered is 5 days are not enough. That I know very well. But you have done very well. In 5 days, you have given in a nutshell, you have given all the necessary essential topics. Really useful for me. I thank once again for the organization, for the colleges and all. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Yeah, next.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Sir, the sessions were very nice, and as I don't know much about 3D printing and design, so it was really helpful for me. The session was really helpful for me, especially the techniques which are used in 3D printing, especially in the field of biomedical. It was such a good experience to know all such things with these eminent faculties. So it was very helpful for me, sir. I'm really overwhelmed by the response and by the FDP. Really, I learned a lot of things. Many of the things are very new to me, but it was really very interesting to know about such things.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you,
very
sir.
much. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. First of all, thank you so much for organizing the FDP, and it was very informative for me from an MTech student point of view, as I'm in my third semester. So for the upcoming project, I was thinking, what to do, and this FDP was really giving me some insights of what to do for my upcoming project and further research, and especially this the information about 3D printing in biomedical field was really a new thing to me, and to know about the success stories of those the Smart Foundry under VNIT. All the faculties has given very good information and very valuable information, which was very informative to me. And always I'll be always looking forward to the welcome they gave, to join with them, or to learn with them, and that opportunity was really I appreciate it. And thank you so much, sir, for organizing it.
Thank you, Robin, for your nice experience and feedback. Now, anybody who want to give your feedback?
Good afternoon, sir. Preeti Singh here.
Yeah. Yeah, carry on, Preeti ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, sir. It is very interactive and very good and very new concept we learned in this workshop. So very nice, sir. This is very different and we learn very small thing at that time when we were learning art and craft and other things. But this is very means very big concept actually 3D in 3D model.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Ah,
I'm really thankful for Dr. R.H. Gajgar, sir, for conducting this kind of really eminent FDP program. 3D printing and additive manufacturing is nowadays are having so much boom in the market, and also from the research point of view, it is having so much to do into this particular field. The eminent faculties like Kute sir and all the eminent different faculties are there. So we have understood lots of things in 3D printing and additive manufacturing at large. And I hope this particular FDP will benefit us for our future upcomings, like our research projects and all. Thank you very much, sir.
yeah, thank you, Rodolfo. sir. Yeah, next. Please, anybody want to share their experience? Yeah, now, I would like to invite our HOD, Dr. P.S. Rao, sir, for the concluding remark on this FDP. Please, sir. Rao, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Good evening to everyone. Dr. R.H. Gajgar, sir, FDP coordinator, 3D printing and design. First of all, I would like to congratulate Dr. R.H. Gajgar, sir, for organizing this beautiful event, in this virtual platform. I know this is a very difficult to organize virtually this kind of program. Actually, earlier we used to get huge participation through these online programs, but nowadays we are not getting that much participation because number of Atal FDPs are going on throughout the India. In spite of the difficulties, but SAR could conduct this program successfully. We had the FDP, Atal FDP and novel materials recently. 2-3 weeks back, we had that one. We got very good response, and for this also we got huge response. SAR did a lot of hard work, and we congratulate on behalf of Christian College of Engineering and Technology and Mechanical Engineering Department. I congratulate all the participants of FDP, especially the research scholars, and also just now Principal Jayaraman sir also has given his words about the FDP. I hope this FDP was fruitful and helpful and useful for all of you. We have learned many sessions, practical oriented sessions, and today morning also we were listening about the stress management. Stress management is also very essential nowadays. AICTE has made it mandatory in Atal FDP. So that was also very nice. And all the sessions were useful and they are practical oriented. And I thank all the IIT professors and associate professors and professors. They have taken the lectures in this FDP. Actually, this is 3D printing. Nowadays, we are talking about the 4D printing also. I attended recently one seminar, and actually they were talking about 4D and 5D printing. So the technology is becoming advanced day after day. And so that is why we need to be equipped, and also we need to be in line with the technology. So once again, I thank all the participants, and also I congratulate our Araj Gajgat sir and for his valuable efforts to organize this program successfully. So thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you, sir, for your words of appreciation. Now we come to the end of the program. So I must say thanks to all. So now on behalf of Department of Mechanical Engineering, Christian College of Engineering and Technology, Bhilai, I, Dr. R.H. Gajgat, coordinator, would like to express my sincere gratitude to Almighty God for giving us this opportunity to organize this FDP. I am also very much thankful to our Honorable Executive Vice Chairman, respected Principal Ma'am, for guiding us and providing all the supports and help required for organizing this FDP. I am thankful to all the speakers who have delivered their lectures and shared their knowledge and experience with all of us. I would like to thank our HOD and all the mechanical faculty members for taking the efforts to organize this FDP. Last but not the least, I thank all the participants who have participated in this FDP and made it a successful event. Thank you all again. Thank you. Now, I would request to all the participants, please switch on your camera, video camera for photo session. Okay, thank you all. Now you can switch off your camera. Just I want to give some important instructions regarding this assessment test. First important point is you have to use your registered name and email ID for this assessment test, which you are registered in Atal portal. Second, assessment link will be provided in Zoom chat box. Already our oral feedback session is finished. So all are requested to be present here until and unless they have appeared in the test. And all questions are compulsory. There is no negative marking. So you have to attempt all the questions. There will be total 50 questions, 2 marks each. and you will get only one attempt to appear in this test. So be careful while attempting the questions. The next is minimum 60% marks are required to become eligible for getting the certificate. There are 3 conditions for getting the certificate. First is 80% attendance, then 60% marks, minimum 60% marks in this test. And third one is you have to fill the feedback in the Atal portal. So if you are facing any difficulty, so wait for 1 or 2 days, because sometimes you are unable to fill the feedback due to the means that is possible sometimes after filling after entering the marks, your marks and attendance in the Atal portal. So just you have to wait 1 or 2 days.